Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hide tag on mention on Instagram story. So at first open my Instagram. So this method will be similar Android and iOS. So first of all create a story. Okay, I'm selecting this photo and share this story. Okay, press on to done. And now check. Now successfully share this story. So click on to three dot and then showing here to add mention option. Just select and type here your friend name. Selecting this, press on to down and click on to add. Okay, now successfully mention this story, but this is the height. So that's it. That's how you can do it.